Today I thought it is the time to have a thought about the prevalence of partial dark age here in Pakistan. This wild eruption of pandemic here in the world, particularly here in Pakistan, has exposed many realities which have widened the rifts between the rich and the poor. Analyzing the true situation of the partial dark age in Pakistan, I want to leave myself on the mercy of objective approach. I am to voice for those who have been deprived of their basic necessities of life. They are looking towards the people sitting on the helms of the affairs and those who are empowered with a strong economic. The rich business elite here in Pakistan apparently is struck with the adverse situation of business, where they find themselves isolated from the wide growth of the business. But their concerns are also incomparable with those who are losing their family members just because of being deprived of the basic facilities of life. In order to undergo objective analysis of the partial dark age here in Pakistan, let's move to the hospitals and the healthcare centers in Pakistan. You will come to know the real situation, not the one proved by media or even the government officials, rather than what you personally visit and smell at the time, where how to get his patient admitted without a proper reason, and the reason is done. What about those laborers who are unable to earn their livings on daily basis, who are begging from their relatives and friends? And I believe that the list of the relatives and the friends has come to end right now because of this so prolonged and delayed coronavirus situation. No doubt, in this partial prevalence of the dark age, there are certain burglars and habituals who are devoid of humanity. They are looting the already looted ones, and this ratio of the street crime is propelling day by day. Even one can never overlook the great add-on of those who are deprived of the basic facilities of life. They are also becoming the part of those street crime services, even claiming that they are doing their best. But I believe that this word best is not suitable. Rather, they are merely doing good. And there is a hell of a difference between doing good and best in terms of delivery of the services for the poor ones, especially for those who are really looking forward towards the state, the government machinery, and especially the democratic setup where there are massive number of the decision makers who have also concerns to rescue democracy. But the question arises, among all the members of democracy who directly or indirectly are involved in policy making procedures, what role they are playing right now in order to deal with such a critical situation in the history is going to be rewritten in golden words. No doubt, the head of the state, Mr. Imran Khan, is doing his best in the given situation. Whenever he took the charge of the state, he was provided with a country who was already indebted with uncountable debt. But yes, the machinery which he has right now to cope up with the situation needs to be re-engineered. But I think so with the passage of the time, he is making so many changes which I should call irresistible maneuvering. He is constantly reanalyzing and thinking the roles assigned to the members of the government machinery. So Imran Khan, if finds any person who is incapable of doing any specific role, he is unable to entertain that character in the government machinery. So he is still not at his full liberty, yet he is taking some bold steps to do so. He is still facing a strong resistance from the opposition in ongoing democratic setup. He is changing the strategies, he is reviewing the policies, and he is implementing whatever he finds best for the interests of the state. And this is the demand for the social justice. Whatever Imran Khan is trying to implement in the country is up to the mark according to his capacity. Every downtrodden face in the country is establishing uncountable expectations towards his leader, Mr. Imran Khan, and he would be able to fulfill with them on the course of his leadership. He is going to redesign Pakistan. He wants to set the foundations of the Pakistan on such a strong footing that even after his role is over, the country would stay blessed with inherent potential to survive centuries, and such personalities are epoch making, just like Mr. Imran Khan. I believe he has a towering personality. He is dealing with the international competitors and the rival states even in the partially prevalent dark age in Pakistan. It seems he has been gifted with acute acumen in order to deal such kind of critical situations. He has handful knowledge of the stress management he is applying to rescue country and the people out of this dark state. He had interaction with international experts and global communities in order to deal with this adverse situation here in Pakistan. I believe in his captaincy, the state of Pakistan would definitely turn into a strong Muslim empire on the surface of the world.